This is the 10-year overview reading for ALGO coin, or Algorand, for the 10-year period of 2020 through 2029. Currently, it's October 25th, 2022. The coin is approximately 33 cents at the moment. All right, guys, so looking at 2020, we have, and you got to keep in mind that these aren't going to line up exactly like year to year. Like there's going to be a little fluctuation. And so what we have is the selling from this peak here in 2020, selling from near overbought territory, right? And then we come up to, and that basically we just stay on at a low at that point, right? So all through 2020, and then 2021 we have sideways fluidity with equal amounts of bulls and bears, inflow and outflow, and that's basically what happens with the you may, in a lot of cases, you see wild price swings with the change card. Sometimes you see a narrow kind of like channel that you go back and forth in, but the point is that generally speaking you'll finish off this around the same price level that you started with, and you can see how we basically did that, right? Up down, up down, up down, basically roughly where we started. All right, and then the following year, 2022, we have a period of sideways rotation ending with a fast sudden move to the upside. So my sense is that this little drop that we have here that everybody's freaking out about in crypto, it took place on the 9th of November, today. It's a buy opportunity, and we're going to have a notable move to the upside in most of our cryptos, guys, towards the very end of the year or into the early part of next year. But this is all pretty accurate. So therefore, let's go check out the markup. So when looking at the markup, why is it doing that? Okay, there we go. Okay, so looking at the markup, guys, there's a trade opportunity in 2025. Looks like with the end of a period of sideways rotation marked by a fast sudden move higher. So we should see, looks like probably there'll be like a peak, like maybe like a high that stands out at the end of the year here, either that or early into the next year. Maybe we rally into next year. But we're going to come up against the resistance level that's very prominent on a multi-year chart, and then from that we'll break down with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. That part takes place in 2023. And then it looks like we have a higher high in 2024. We actually reach for distant resistance, like almost an irrational move to the upside in 2024. So definitely some bullish opportunity here in the midst of this dip. I would if I was trading, I would take advantage of it. I steer clear. For those of you that don't know, I try to steer clear of the trading, because when my money's involved in the prediction, it can skew the prediction quite a bit, I've noticed. So I've gone full force on this. But in any case, there's also a trade opportunity here at a resistance level in 2025, and it looks like there's a mean point somewhere in the midst of volatility there to position oneself in both directions. We definitely have a lower low in 2028 than we do in 2025, but my sense is that we probably have, at some point there, we probably have a higher price level here in 2027, this fast sudden move to the upside. So probably like some upside there, and an opportunity to make some money to the downside in the midst of this when we attempt to reestablish support on in 2028. But overall, guys, that channel will mark an opportunity, right? We decline to the bottom of the range. Then we're going to rally to the top of the range, and then we should decline all the way back to the bottom of the range because it's that sideways S formation. So with that said, it's a lot easier in this case to plan the exit price levels to get out of. Once you see where the bottom is and where the top is, then you know where to sell your short position come 2028, basically. But look out for that sharp drop in 2027 off of like after a fast sudden move higher. Alright guys, that's Algo. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, my friends, make sure you follow that rule of karma. I'll see you on the next one.